This is Tirana TV, a place for entrepreneurship and self-development. We are about taking control of our lives and our mindset, so welcome. Today I'm going to talk about that one thing that is taking you off track, that one thing that is blocking your success, that one thing that is stopping your productivity. And that one thing, I'm going to give it to you straight. I'm not going to wait till the end of this video. That one thing that is stopping you from succeeding is the way you manage your time. Now you might disagree with me. You might say that, oh no, I don't think that's just enough to make me not succeed. But I'm telling you, that is the foundation. If you don't manage your time properly, that's going to drastically affect your productivity as well as your results. And so if you've been wondering why you're not getting the result that you want, if you've been wondering why you're still where you are, whatever is going on, I'm telling you, the first place you should look is in your schedule. How do you manage your time? We are living in a time where it's so hard to keep focus. We are living in a time where everybody wants a bit of your attention, for good or bad, but everybody's hunting you. I don't know if people know that, but you are the target. I'm sure you noticed this. When you go on Google, for example, and you Google where to buy the best hat, you leave Google. After that, you go on Facebook. Now they start pumping you with adverts about hats. You go on Instagram, start seeing people talking about hat, come shop for hats here. That's what I'm talking about. Everybody's hunting you. Everybody wants a piece of your attention. And now it's down to you to decide where it's beneficial for you. Where do you invest your time? And what do you trade as an exchange of your time? Some are just completely lost in that stream. Yeah, it's just like, oh, Facebook, oh, Instagram, oh, the housewife of this, oh, keeping up with the Kardashian, oh, this and that. You're just like, ooh, lost in all those noises around you. It shows that you do not appreciate, you do not even understand the preciousness of time. You don't understand how precious life is. You don't understand how short life is. You don't understand that 1 second of your time worth a lot. This life that we're blessed to live, we need to use it efficiently. Now, this is not about work. This is not about just keep working without resting or, becoming some sort of robot or I don't know. This is about what matters to you. This is about investing your time wisely and where it's supposed to be invested. Because we don't have time. It doesn't belong to us. The lack of discipline is one of the reasons why a lot of people are stressed out. A lot of people are anxious. A lot of people have no control over their lives. It's one of the reasons why people are poor. People stay poor. People are miserable. People stay miserable, because they have no idea. They just wake up in the morning and just roll with the day. And another day. And another day. At the end of the week, you look at your week and you're just like, what did I do this week? Nothing. You have done nothing the whole week because you didn't use your time efficiently. When you are disciplined, you are in control of your time. When you wake up in the morning with the plan in your head, with goals in your head, you know that, okay, today I'm meant to do this, I'm meant to do that, I'm meant to do that. I'm going to start here, I'm going to follow with that. Your day is set for success. You're likely to skip distraction. You're likely to catch yourself doing things that you're not supposed to do and actually say, hey, I'm meant to do that, and bring yourself back into doing whatever you were meant to do, as opposed to not having any structure or any goal for the day. You're just like, okay, maybe I should just go and clean, or oh, look at that, I need to catch up on this. You don't have any structure and you keep wasting your time. And when you're stressed out, you don't think straight. As a result, you're unhappy. Every little thing gets to your nerve because you're rushing, you're running. You have no control over your life. Your life is a mess. That's literally what it is. Just because of the fact that you are not in control of your time. The moment you start taking control over your life. You know, the moment you start saying, okay, tomorrow what can I do? I need to do this, I need to wash, I need to clean, I need to send this email, I need to do this and that and that. That moment you feel in control, you feel powerful, you feel purposeful. Have you ever noticed that busy people give us the impression of being purposeful, of being successful, of being powerful? It's not just a perception, it is a reality. It's something that you feel when you start living by that rule. If you start making every single day count, it becomes empowering. When you start filling your day up, your time up with meaningful things, you feel busy, you feel alive, you feel like you're doing something right, you feel confident just because you're in control of your time. It sounds so basic. It sounds like, oh, it's just your time, it's just a plan, it can't affect that much. It does. It defines a lot. It actually shapes the dynamic of your life, of your success. So it's important to be aware of the way you use your time. It is important that you check on yourself every single time to see what you're doing. And if you find yourself not doing what you're supposed to do, you need to be able to go back to what is meaningful to you, to what really matters, to what is contributing positively towards your life. At the end of every day, sit down and say, how can I rate myself? What did I do today that was constructive? At the end of each day, if you can identify one or two things that you did for that day that makes you better than yesterday, then that's a day well spent. That's a productive day. People that you listen to, people that you talk with, people that you associate with, they all craft your life. They all have a major influence on your mindset, on how you go about to spend your day. If you're friends with people that just waste their time, chances are you're gonna think that's the right thing to do. But if you're a friend with people who are using their time efficiently, you will see them doing things and you'll be like, wow, she did that already. Oh, last week she was here, now she's there. You see, she improved, she did something amazing. I'm just wasting my time, and you want to do as well. That's how you motivate each other. It's not just in life. You might be friends on social media. You can decide to follow people who are actually inspiring to you. So if you ever wonder why things are not working, if you ever wonder why you keep having the same result, if you ever wonder why you're not succeeding, take a look in your schedule. How do you use your time? Do you have a good relationship with your time? Are you in control of your time? Are you disciplined when it comes to your time? Do you stick to things that you say you're going to do? And if you can say yes to all those things, good for you. If you can be disciplined and consistent, you're definitely going to see results. There is no other way. There is no magic. You definitely gonna see results. So that's all I wanted to talk about today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. I will see you guys in another video. Peace.